Welcome to the fascinating world where industrial food processing machine absently prepare the food. Today we are taking a closer look into the revolutionizing machines. This is a high-pressure traditional cooker, especially designed to cook popcorn quickly and efficiently. It operates on the principle of cooking food under high pressure, which significantly reduces cooking time and save energy. This not only saves time, but can also help to intensify flavor and preserve nutrients in the food. To use it, grains and important ingredients are filled in the cooker, then the lid is securely locked and then placed on the stove. During the cooking process, the cooker must be rotated continuously so that the grains and ingredients inside the cooker do not burn. Due to absence of any vent in the cooker, the pressure inside the cooker increases, which leads to cooking food faster as compared to other commonly used cookers. Once the popcorn is fully cooked, it is carefully placed inside a sack to safely release the high pressure and prevent the spreading of food. When the lid is opened, it is boom. Extremely high pressure is suddenly released. This is a very risky job. The slightest mistake can cause the cooker to explode like a grenade. Therefore, it requires a qualified chef to use it. This is an automatic coconut peeling machine designed to remove coconut peels efficiently. It is typically made of stainless steel and has a series of sharp blades that cut through the coconut. This innovative machine is commonly used in industries where large quantities of peeled coconuts are processed efficiently. It can process hundreds or thousands of coconuts per hour, which is very cost effective by saving labor and increasing efficiency. This industrial pasta making machine can produce hundreds of kilogram pasta per hour. It is designed for large-scale production of various shapes of pasta. The process of making pasta starts from mixing the ingredients, usually semolina flour, eggs and water. Then the dough is kneaded in next process to develop gluten, which gives the pasta its structure and chewy texture. The kneaded dough is then fed into the extruder, where it is pushed through a die. A die is a plate with a specific shape cut out. Different types of die plate can shape different pasta. By changing this die, pasta can be made in different shapes. As the shaped pasta comes out of the extruder and reaches its desired length, it is cut to separate individual pieces of pasta. Most people eat pasta for breakfast or as a fast food, so pasta production can be most demandable and profitable business. Drinking a glass of delicious sugarcane juice is beneficial for health, to drink which customers are crowded around the juice bar. This industrial sugarcane juicer machine can prepare fresh and delicious juice in just a minute. The peeled and washed stalks of sugarcane is fed into a squeezing machine, and lemon, ginger and mint are also squeezed along with the stalk to make the juice tasty. The stalks are squeezed 2 or more times to extract all the juice. Customers also love to watch this satisfying moment as it is done in front of their naked eyes, which clarifies that the juice is natural and pure. An industrial sausage making machine designed to streamline the production of sausage on a large scale. The machine efficiently stuffs the mince into a collision casing and then rotates the sausage to separate it into individual pieces. This machine integrates various functions such as meat grinding, filling, twisting and smoking, transforming raw meat into finely crafted sausage product. So this was some modern food processing machines. I hope you have enjoyed this video and got some knowledge. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are interested in this type of content, you are welcome. Join to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update first. We will see you in the next video.